Oh, what did I
Go
do
ahead.
yesterday? I have
Yeah,
no
what have you
idea.
been working? Well, what have you been working on? Since our last meeting, what have you been working on?
Oh, okay, so I've been working on the appointment stuff to allow users to create appointments with the businesses that are registered with our website. So far I've been able to figure out how to schedule an appointment. So if someone clicks on an hour or a date, they can reserve for that hour whatever appointment that they want, and it will save in our back end and reserve that appointment so nobody else can make an appointment during that time.
All right. What are you going to work on, like until we
I have to
meet
display-
next?
I have to display everything. Right now, everything is in the back end, so nothing's visual. It's all
Okay.
abstract.
I mean, don't you have to work with the front end
Yeah,
people
I'll
then?
have to at
Just
some
to,
point.
okay. And then what do you have? Questions about anything that you've been working on, or anything that any problems that you ran into?
Not yet, but maybe like I might have to talk to you on exactly how you want to display it, and also the front end team. But that's a bit later.
Okay. And we have an API for making appointments.
Almost, yeah. I
Almost?
have basically one method that anybody can call, and then you can make an appointment.
Okay. What do you need in that method, or what do we need to make an appointment?
You need the hour, you need the name of the guy, you need the business, and that's it.
Okay. So no phone number or.
So it's just full name, business, and appointment type, and that's really it.
Okay. But if we want to collect all that other data, we can too.
You can,
Okay.
but those are the requirements.
Okay. All right. What have you been working on, Tony?
I've been working on the analytics dashboard page. Basically, I need to. I've been getting the data from Elasticsearch into Kibana to make the dashboard actually show all the graphs and display the dashboard. Kibana will just basically collect all the data that you import from. Well, we're going to be getting the data from Elasticsearch, which we're exporting from Mongo database. And after that, we basically everything else is done on the UI of the Kibana. So basically, what I need to do now is just get the data into Elasticsearch and display it on Kibana. And then once that is done, I will be able to get the link to. I'll be able to display that into the front end, which I'll have to work with the front end to get that.
What data are we collecting?
We're collecting the number of users, which ones haven't recently been used,
Which ones actually make appointments?
which ones actually are making appointments, and for all the other business for people.
Yeah.
Basically,
Yeah.
main admin.
All right. All right. Manav, what have you been working on?
So there's a couple of things. One, we just have to clean up like the schedule and the actual dashboard that we mocked up in our presentation last week. So actually, we have to make that work. And then also the homepage. It's still not that great. It's still bootstrappy, so we got to make it less bootstrappy. I was thinking of getting rid of the testimonial part of the website and actually using it for services that we can integrate with, which was a good suggestion you made. And in terms of roadblocks, there are none now. I'm sure we're gonna have to like communicate with backend once we both have our stuff working.
All right. TK.
I've been kind of doing some exploratory stuff with the omni-channel services that was suggested to us from Peter. But since we decided to go with the route of like using the code that already exists, I'll be working on the what I've been looking into. I'm working on like the Facebook chatbot, and then working towards like an integration, and then just kind of later discussing with the backend team how to best combine it with the existing code.
Okay. The way that we're doing our Facebook bot, are we going to need to get approval like the other teams, or is it able to be interacted with?
What?
Are we need to get approval from Facebook to use our bot, or is it going to be able to
As of right now,
be
the
used?
system might be zero.
Okay.
API.
Oh, okay. All right. Hans?
Hi, so I've been working on with the Slack integration things. So I'm doing more research on the API, but I'm still not sure like the idea like how are you gonna like put them into together for the botting side. And then I'll be working on with backend as well for what's it called, the tech validation.
Oh yeah, for now, and then.
Yeah. So I'm looking into the codes as well, and I'm trying to fix all those small minor bugs in the project. Yeah.
All right. Have you ran into any like big issues that have been stopping you?
Not really.
Okay. And we still have end-to-end tests being written for
Yeah,
stuff
yeah,
as we go.
Yeah, I'll add more end-to-end tests.
All right, Cedric.
Alright. So we got the bot working, kind of, but it doesn't receive anything. Like it was finally set up, but the roadblock that we had is that it doesn't send back to you for whatever reason. So that's a huge roadblock.
So do you think that we can make appointments at least? Like if you put in appointment like 5:30 Monday, do you think it'll like try and put it in the database?
It'll confirm it, but that's the other thing. It's not talking to the database yet.
Oh, okay.
But a lot of the all of the like the interactions are there.
Okay. So we just need to.
We don't know. That's a roadblock.
Yeah.
But there's that other one that Hans found, which already has like a calendar integrated into it. So it's either we do this or we figure out how that calendar can work with backend stuff.
Okay. So it's still a little bit more research to get it done, but we have all the interaction. We have at least the body parts done. It's just making it hook in, just like everything else. Okay.
Collection
Alright.
of body parts.
All right. I've been working on the wiki. I started working on the wiki yesterday, getting it ready so that we're. No, I don't care. You do not see? I showed them my face. But I was working on the wiki because we needed to get that working. I started with the little thing about our team, but I'm going to start putting features and then all of the setup stuff. For that, I need to talk to everyone here basically so we know how to set up everything. So that we can start fresh. And then also, I test out everything for us. So we have what we need to do for our next, like, to be done, to finish everything. We have all of those tasks ready. We just need to actually do them. I haven't run into any big problems yet, but the wiki is going to need everyone's effort, at least in telling me what happened. Yeah, what should be there, just so that we have all the documentation and can show everything that we need. All right.